Alright, Ron, this one's for you. Snap-on Varis. We're looking at a Infiniti 2000 year model. i30. There's no misfire counter on this vehicle. Infiniti says to accurately track down a misfire, the only thing you can do is lab scope your ignition coils on the red wire to look for a coil ramp. Now the front ones are super easy to get to. So using a Snap-on Varis, a low amp probe, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the lab scope here. Lab scope. What we're going to do is our low amp 20. Now, go into your settings. What we're going to do is we're going to go to 20 amp. We're going to go to 1 second. Now we're going to go back here and bring a full screen. That's a bad belt. But as you can feel, there's a very distinct vibration in the steering wheel. And when you load it, you can see everything vibrating. Now, you have to access coil wire. And that is a coil ramp. Then we'll go to this one over here. And that's a coil ramp. Go to this one here. You have a coil ramp right now, but it will drop out with heat. The next video will be at operating temperature. See the coolant temp? Be right back with you.